How to prevent Bash from altering history. If I press the up or down arrows on my keyboard and then modify something from my history, it's changed forever. Even if I press Ctrl+C and then try to bring it up again, it's still changed. I've lost that entry in my history. How can I prevent this from happening?
You want the redline setting. You can either put it in ~inputchirk, see note below, or put bind revert all at new line on in your ~bashirk demo. Further details are in the bash man page. Revert all at new line. If set to on, redline will undo all changes to history lines before returning when except line is executed. By default, history lines may be modified and retain individual undo list across calls to redline. The default is off. Note: if a new ~inputchirk file is created for the purpose of setting revert all at new line, be aware that Bash will use the redline settings in this file instead of any settings which may be in the file /etc/inputchirk. That is, any settings specified in /etc/inputchirk will no longer be in effect. Therefore, if the /etc/inputchirk file exists, it's a good idea to start ~inputchirk with the line $include /etc/inputchirk.
I enter. Wonderful. Now I want to enter. And can prevent it to enter the history, therefore prevent it to overwrite ls/tmp, if I start the command with a blank. It's hard to see, but if you know it. It is controlled by ignore dups only ignores duplicated commands, ignore both ignores spaces at the beginning of line, which is useful to hide otherwise unhidden passwords. But maybe you're out for a solution where you end with both commands, the unmodified old one and the new one. My version of Bash or settings behave like this, but I don't know what's different to yours.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.